Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for being here. Today is a Hobonichi unboxing. I know you've seen a lot of these videos already. This order is combined with my friends, so it's quite a big order, and I don't want to spend too much time on each item, but I just wanted to share with you what we got. Before I start, I picked up these week's writing boards. This is called a shitachiki. And I didn't realize that these writing boards were shiny, like they're holographic a bit. Oh, it's not picking up on camera. Maybe this one will show. But this is, yeah, you can kind of see it there. But yeah, these ones are for Hobonichi Weeks, and I purchased them from Loft. And then these two I found at Tokyo Hands. These are the older cover-on covers for the weeks. Or actually, I don't know if these are old. I think this one is older. I don't know if this one is still available on the website, but I was very happy to see them at the store. I don't see them in the stores anymore. We were driving by the Yokohama Lalaport, if anybody's in Japan, and there was a Tokyo Hands there, and I found them there. I think the only one left is this one, though. There's only one left, unless they have more in the back. All right, let's jump into the order. Like I said, this is like a combined order with my friends, so it's quite big. So I don't want to spend too much time on each thing, but I thought it would be fun to share with you. Sorry, I'm knocking things around here. I'm too excited. This is very pretty. So let me take things out. So let's start off with this cover. This is so pretty. I'm not going to open this because it is for my friend. And oh, it's really, really nice. It's like such like pretty colors, and the inside of the green is really nice too. This is from the artist Aki Kondo, and this is in the A5 cousin size. You can see there, that's the close-up. It's very, very nice. And I just got a couple of clear cover-on covers for my weeks and for my A6. I have plans for some of them, but anyways, I'll have to share that with you one of these days. Oh, this is the Chibi Maruko-chan. This is the Chibi Maruko A6. It's really, really cute. You can see there in the middle, it's like a crest, I guess, and it's like a nice soft brown mocha color. And then there's these little spots on the back there, and the inside is like a nice chocolate brown. Oh, there's this cute sticker, and then it says Chibi Maruko-chan. And then the bookmarks are this nice blue color. I think it's the same blue as the front. You can see there. And then the pen loops are like a coral color. Oh, Doraemon. Oh, Doraemon, this is like a big set. Is it? I don't know actually. I think this is a set, so I'm not going to open it. It looks like it comes with this. It's not is it a writing board? It can't be. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a cover, like a clear plastic cover. And then it has maybe some kind of a book. And this is the Doraemon cover here. And look at the bookmarks, they're so cute. This is an A6 size. This is an A6 size. Yeah, I'm curious to know what this board is. Maybe, I'm pretty sure somebody on in the Facebook group has posted. Okay, so this one I purchased. Yeah, I have the donkey one, and I thought if I don't get this, I wasn't going to get this because I really don't need an A6 cover right now, but I know I would regret it if in the end it's sold out, just like the donkey one. I know it's harder to find. I mean, there's resellers and people that sell them online, but for crazy, like $100, $80, things like that. So I told myself I don't need it right now, but I think I would definitely regret it if I didn't get it. So I want to use the clear cover on this one here. It's so pretty. I love the fact I love the fact that there's this spine detail here. When you just have it lying, you know, stored upwards, there's this beautiful spine detail and artwork. It's just so pretty. And there is a pocket here, but the artwork continues. Sorry, that's my washing machine. And the different colored pen loops as well. And this is very exciting. Let me show you what's in the other box first, because I think the other box, this is quite heavy. The other box probably just has the notebooks, and so I just wanted to quickly look through that. Oh my goodness, look at this. So the freebies, if you're not aware of the freebies, Hobonichi does offer certain freebie sets. It depends on what you purchased, so I'm gonna have to look through that, through the list, and so I'm not gonna open all of these. There's probably tons of videos that reviews the pens, so you get your free ballpoint pen, which I absolutely love. My husband actually is using this one right here. When is this from? It doesn't even, does it? Maybe the, oh, 2016. So yeah, he's using this right now. But yeah, I really like these ballpoint pens. And then there's this Fuda pen, which is really fun as well. So let's see. Right off the bat, I was going to get this. I was set on getting it, and then at the end, I ended up not getting it because I will show you what I ended up getting. But this is so cute. Oh my gosh, Chibi Maruko-chan. I used to watch Chibi Maruko-chan as a kid, and I actually still do with my kids now, so it's kind of funny. Well, my son actually likes Doraemon more, but there's that. It's so cute. So there's the weeks. There's two of them here. I purchased the Day Free, Hobonichi Day Free in the A6. If you follow me, I use the Stalogy A6 size, and so I thought it would be fun to use the Day Free because it's numbered. The pages are numbered. So I'm really excited to start with that soon, once my Stalogy is done. So I ended up purchasing the Cherry Blossom cover. So bright, and I like the fact that you can see there the numbers are in different color. Yeah, it's so nice and bright and cheerful. I purchased the weeks for my kids. I'm documenting my kids' little stories and things in a weeks, and I'm really enjoying it. I want to really jazz it up, so eventually I'll do like an update video for you, but I'm having a lot of fun in the Hobonichi weeks. My current Hobonichi weeks is like a half planner because I switched planners in between. It's like a half work planner and then a half journal for my kids. So I was going to get 1 weeks for each child, but I decided to just kind of save on some money there and just purchase this 1 weeks. But I'm excited to kind of jazz it up a bit and make it more exciting. This, of course, is a must. So this one, of course, is a must for me. I have been using the cousin size for several years, 2 years, I want to say at least 2 years. And I'm not going to go back to A6, although it's very tempting. So I'm just going to continue with the avec style with the 2 books for the 1 year. So it's January to June, July to December, and it's been working out great. So there's 2 there. The other one is for my friend. And so let me show you what's in the other package before this video gets way too long. So this is the Chibi Maruko-chan Sakura Momoko, what is this called, a notepad? So it has these ones right here. I can't open it at this time. It's for my friend. So there's 5 designs, and then there's 5 sheets of each design there, and I think it's really cute. And yeah, that's the notepad here, the Chibi Maruko-chan. These are for my friends, but the weeks and then the A6 is the same. You can kind of see the holographic nature of it. And yeah, so there's that. This one I'm really excited about. It's the Chibi Maruko-chan stamps, And there's like the delighted version, I think is maybe here, and then there's like the distraught or the sad version up here. They come with the acrylic blocks, which is really nice. If you've watched her cartoons, they have these like really funny expressions, especially her, and they're very quirky, and I've always realized I've always found them funny, even though when I was a kid. I want to use these in my journals and show you how to show you what like when something, if something upsetting happens, or oh, it's just so funny. So I do want to do maybe like a journal with me, sharing with you these funny expressions. But those are the stamps there. And that's it for the Hobonichi haul. I know there's like tons of videos online. So yeah, that's the Hobonichi haul. I will kind of span these out here so that you can take another look. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be, like I said, sharing with you the stamps hopefully in the future. And I also want to share like what I'm currently using type of video, because my planner setup is so all over the place recently. I also want to share with you the mini 5 5-ring binder, like a little, it's tiny, but it's so cute and functional, and I'm really enjoying it, so I really want to share that with you as well. But anyways, that's the haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.